Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and in this video we are going to be doing a CKA lab by KillerCoda, and this one is going to be related to pods and service, specifically the cluster IP service type. So it is telling you that you need to create a Kubernetes pod and a service to host a simple web application that prints it works when accessed. Follow these steps. We want to create a pod named app pod with the following specification. So let's go ahead and create that. I'm not going to create it. I'm just going to run it, and I'm going to save it in a YAML file first, because that's the way I like to do it. So let's do a K run. So they want you to name the pod app pod. The image that they want you to do is the HTTPD latest. Great. The container port, they want it to be exposed to port 80. So let's go ahead and do port 80. All right, we want to do a dry run equals to client, and we can do export this as a YAML, and I'm just going to call this pod YAML file. All right. So then they want you to create a service named app SVC with the following specification. They want you to select the pod with the label app lab. So we need to create a label. So we need to add a label to this pod, right? So it can be access, or it can be basically bind to this pod. So let's go ahead and do vim pod YAML. And in here, we can see that we have a label called run, but they want it to be app, right? It says app lab. So we need to edit this lab, and we can get rid of this stuff that we don't use. So this is good. So we have the container, we have the label, and also they want you to, the container name should be app container. So let's go ahead and rename this bad boy over here. There we go, looking good. So now we have the container name, we have HTTPD latest, app label for the labels. The name is app pod, and container port is 80. So we're looking good, guys. What do you think? So I think that is it for the pod for now. So let's go ahead and create that. I always forget to do f pod. There we go. Okay, get pod pad. It is making that container, and it is running. So that is great. We can confirm that it's running. So we are good to go. Now let's go ahead and create a service. I cannot do this by memory. This one needs to be we can use this guy right here. Service metadata, blah, yada, yada, yada. Okay. We can do vim svc.yaml. And here we have to go ahead and edit this name because they are specifying a name. And the name of this service, they want it to be app svc. The selector is not going to be the host name. They wanted to select this with the app, and then it's, what is it, app lab, right? That's how they wanted to select it. Okay, and then the port is going to be 80, and then the target port, it is going to also be 80. Okay, and that's going to be yada yada yada. Let's go ahead and save this. Now we can go ahead and create this bad boy real quick. F and what is it, SVC YAML, create a K, get service what do we name this? App SVC. It is running. You can see the IP. I think if you do a curl HTTP whack, you can see right here that it works. Great. So it's working whenever we get the cluster IP. And yeah, I think it's working. It tells you right there to access the web application using curl on another terminal. Cool. I mean, we can do it whatever. it don't really matter. All right, we can just open another tab. There we go. Still says it works. So it is working, guys. And hey, that was a quick video. This is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Like always, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys are learning, Kubernetes, trying to get your CKA just like I am. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Plenty of videos coming up. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.